guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I got some seasonal HelloFresh I'm cooking, but that's not all. There's some news that happened. If you can see, Hurricane Ivan has hit South Carolina, and the whole university got put into virtual classes for Friday, or our classes were canceled depending on our professor for Friday, or held on Zoom depending on the professor. And despite all that, well, I'm wearing my Billy shirt, but besides that, my parents came for parent weekend, and they literally came from Virginia, so they were entering closer to the hurricane. It was just overall a very weird situation. My HelloFresh didn't come Friday like it was scheduled to. It came Monday, and it was right when I was done with my biology class, so right when that was over I was able to get it, but it was completely thawed by the time I got it, so if it's still good, it's kind of debatable. Normally I would cook it in the weekend because that's the only major time I have, but Tuesdays I only have chemistry as of now, so I'm able to cook it hopefully before my Chinese assignments are due, and to do it in a timely manner because I really don't want my HelloFresh I paid for to rot. Another unusual thing that happened was this time it did not come with any recipes in the box, so I'm currently using the recipes for the online app that it gives you. Yeah, let's get into the video and get into this fall themed foods.
High quality asparagus.
That's what a frozen asparagus looks like. I'm practically crying because all the smoke in here, but the sweet potatoes are really good. Another unusual thing that happened was